welcome to another video. I am Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Today I have an unboxing from Mary's Diamonds, and this is I don't want to say it's a new company, but Bella Art de Nicole purchased Mary's Diamonds and decided to keep the name Mary's Diamonds. I have purchased from Mary's Diamonds in the past, and I started working on that canvas. I wasn't really happy with it, but this is a change because they have changed their manufacturers, it's my understanding, as well as they've changed the rendering. And so I'm really excited to open this particular box. Bella Art de Nicole did decide to keep the box that Mary's Diamonds already had, so that's definitely a plus. I love the pink and the teal on the box. It does have their name, Mary's Diamonds, on it. It tells you the instructions on how to diamond paint, and then also it has Mary's Diamonds social media. This one's Facebook and Instagram on here. And then it says, share your magic with the world. Don't forget to tag us. On the bottom of this, it's going to show you, if I have it correctly, it is going to show you what the canvas is. So I'm really excited to get into this. This also came in another box. I want to go ahead and open it just to get that part out of the way. If you hear some background noise, I do apologize. I've been trying all morning to record videos, and every time that I get completely set up, someone is doing their yard. So I thought that I was going to be fine, and as soon as I got everything set up, ready to record, they started in again. So hopefully it won't be too annoying. So let's get into this. For the first one I purchased from them, I went ahead and got a round. You do have your option on any of their canvases between round and square, and I have a lot of squares in my stash right now and thought it would be really nice to take a break, have a decent size of a canvas, and go ahead and go with a round this time. I might try a square next time. Just depends on what I decide that I want to purchase. This is already starting to lay out flat, and I really do like this one. It's called Cozy Mug, and this is licensed from Moran Tascaco. I think that's how you pronounce that. It is a 50 by 50 centimeter or a 19.69 by 19.69 inch. So I thought 50 by 50, that is going to be perfect for me, especially for the summer and things that I'm working on my large canvases. But I really enjoyed this one. When I saw it, I thought this would be a cool thing to have. Put it in my office, because when I go in my office, I always have a cup of coffee. Would even be really good to put in my office at work. But I really do love the rendering, love the colors. It has 55 colors in it, and there is a schematic on both sides. You have a schematic on the top left here, and then you have one that's going backwards on the right. And that is really helpful whenever you flip it, which I do. I do flip mine when I get to the top. I typically will start working at the bottom and then work my way up. But when I get over to the top, that way I can flip it. If I need to see a color or DMC number, I can. I do work out of containers and not baggies. So for me, this really isn't important, but it's nice to have. The canvas is really soft. The back feels like, I know it's not soft lint. The back is just very soft. And the front, I think, it's a really good quality. It's thick. It does have scalloped edges here and sewn, so that it helps prevent fraying. I like the plastic cover. It is not too thick. I don't like the real thick ones, but I don't like the real thin ones either. So this is a really good cover. Peels really easy. You guys can hear the sticky. That sounds really good. I don't have a light pad on or even on my table right now. I can see all of the symbols. I'm trying to see, let me look on here. I want to see if there's any symbols I might have a problem with. It also comes with a sticker page, which I really appreciate. I will put this sticker, this larger one, in my logbook, which I've really got to work on. And this also says on here, as well as gives the social media and the actual address here for Bella Art de Nicole. It also gives Bella Art de Nicole's website, and it states fine diamond painting accessories here, and then it does have Bella Art de Nicole, so that's really cool. And the stickers here for the containers, those are already pre-cut, which I really do appreciate. Makes it go so much faster when you are kitting up. Let's get you to look at that. And let me look at the symbols. There are 1 through 8 on numbers, it looks like. Then you have through A through V are going to be uppercase letters. I don't see anything that would cause a problem. What I really like here is that there is a number 8, but there's not a letter B. And for a number 8 and a letter B, especially an uppercase letter B, I always get those. I have to really think about those every time that I do a kit that has that, so I don't get it confused. And there are some lowercase letters on here. Then there are some symbols. These are just your typical symbols. I don't see any that's going to give me any issues. One thing that I do see, and I'm finding this more and more common, and I don't understand, I just don't understand why that companies do this. There has to be a reason, but it's like the lowercase letters, you have a lowercase e, and that is 3041 DMC number, but then you're going to have, and that is, let's see, 8, that's number 30 if you look at the schematic. But then if you go and look at lowercase a, that is a DMC 3830, and that's number 43. And that doesn't bother me at all because I don't work that way. I work based on numbers, letters, and symbols most of the time. Sometimes I'll work with colors. It just depends. But I'm getting more and more to where I like to work in DMC order. So I'll just put them in DMC order. So that really doesn't make any difference to me. But I think this is so pretty. I love how her hair, it looks like morning hair, or it looks like how my hair is in the morning. And I like that, it's rather messy. It's not, she's not perfect. She does already have some jewelry on. Looks like that she either has a sweater. It looks like she has a sweater. At first I thought maybe it was a robe, but this looks like a sweater. So maybe she's ready for the day, but her hair still looks a little messy to me. So I think that this is perfect because when I drink coffee, I'm not already bushy-eyed and, bright-tailed, ready to go. When I start to drink my coffee, it's like I first wake up in the morning and then I am a hot mess. I will drink coffee, take a shower, and then drink more coffee. So I'm kind of assuming that that's what she's doing here, but I just love these colors. So let's look at the toolkit. And I don't remember, it has been so long since I opened a Mary's Diamonds. I don't remember if all of this came in Mary's Diamonds or not, or if this is something that Bella Art de Nicole has now decided to do. I know that the trays are Bella Art de Nicole trays, and they were specially made for their kits. So that's going to be really interesting to use because I do use Bella Art de Nicole quite frequently. And those were the first trays I ever purchased when I decided to stop using the kits that came, or the trays that came with kits, and to purchase my own. And so they were the first ones. I think that's really cool. You have a squishy here. This one's yellow. Then you have a pin with a single tip, and then you can put the squishy on here, which helps your hand. And then you have a 2-placer on the end here. And we do have tweezers. And I don't know, I'm assuming that tweezers come with all of their kits, because with the round, typically you don't get tweezers. These are the sharp, pointy kind. So make sure that you do keep this cover on so you don't stab yourself. We do have some washi, and this is really pretty. It's feathers. So I'll focus a little better. It's almost the colors, or it is the colors that's in this canvas, so I may use that. Then we have some more multi-placers. I can't really see. I think this is maybe a 7. And then we have this one, which looks to be a 4. And then we have a little pot of blue wax. Oh, there's quite a bit in here too. There's 3 little round circles. Of course, circles are round, but we have this pot here. And if you use this, make sure you take the plastic off. If not, you will not be able to use the wax. It will not show up on your pin. So let's look at the drills. Oh my, these are gorgeous colors. Show you through here. There are, let's see, 4 ABs in here. I'm not going to open all of these up just because I kind of want to keep them in order. I'm assuming that they're in order. They won't be if I keep messing with them. But here are your ABs. That's going to go in her hair. Just a few in there. Got some pink that goes, looks like in her sweater. That is a less than sign. That's going to go in her sweater. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure if it's anywhere else. Then we have this really pretty peach. That is a pound sign. I can't tell. It's not in her face. There's not any ABs in her face. I don't see any in her forehead, so that's good. I'm not sure where these pound ones go. There's not very many, so I'm assuming that it's going up here, the top. Then we have this one's one of my favorite ABs. It's purple. It is 208. That one is, it's like a little chain is what I like to call it. That's going to go down through here in her sleeve. And then we have number 51, and that is 3865. That's a check mark. That's going to go up at the top. I can already see that. It's going to go up the top over here. I want to see. These drills do not look like, there's a little bit of static in here, but you know, welcome to my world. If you've been around, you've seen me kit up. Almost every kit that I've had has static. The static does not look bad though. The drills look really good. Let's see, look at for a darker bag. I wonder if there's any 310s in here. Let's just take a quick look. Yes, there is. Before I go rummaging through here, I want to make sure that they do have 310. There's 310. There's not that many 310s. Yeah, there's static in here. But I will, whenever I get ready to kit this up, and I kind of want to do it soon because I want to see what the quality's like. Because I would love to buy another one of theirs, but I want to check the quality out. I'm sure it is wonderful. Yeah, it's not too bad on the static. It won't be, I don't think I'll be fighting with the drills. And then once I put my balance sheet in, I think that I will be okay. Let me know in the comments below if you purchased one of the new Mary's Arts diamond paintings, and if you did, which one. I would love to hear your comments, especially if you've already started on it. but I just love these colors. These are my colors. I love how they are deep colors, and it is not inundated in blue. I don't even see any blue on here. It's all purples and pinks and oranges and just really pretty. Some reds in here. Would be, she's wearing fall winter clothes, so I may wait and start on this. I don't want to wait until the fall, but it is more of a fall painting, but it's fine with me. I knew that whenever I got it, but I just really like that she has a coffee mug. I don't have anything like this, so I thought that would be something different. It will be fun. There looks like there's going to be some color blocking in here, so I don't think it will take me very long to do this one. I'm not going to start on it though until I get some of my others done. I just have way too many going on right now, and I've just got to settle down and to get something accomplished. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I think that you will like it here, and I'm definitely going to have more content that's coming out shortly. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.